love that. I know I have that. Where did I put it? Ah, this is it. This is the item that inspired this whole video. Kind of diving deeper into my handbag, so God knows what we're gonna find. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So, who's lost, left, or misplaced something in their handbag? Yeah, me, for sure. I am hoping I'm not alone in this struggle. I watched a video recently, I don't remember whose YouTube video it was, and I saw a lip item that I was like, oh, I love that. I know I have that. Where did I put it? And I rediscovered it in a handbag that I had transitioned out of and accidentally left a beauty product in there. I was so mad at myself because I forgot how much I loved it. So today's video is going to be me going through my current handbag and letting you guys know what I have kind of misplaced or forgotten, because I am pretty sure this beast has a lot of stuff in it that I have misplaced or put in the wrong pocket, or when I transferred from another purse I didn't do it right and I misplaced it and didn't know where to put it. It's embarrassing, I know. I have this struggle every time I either switch purses or after I've been using a handbag for a while, because it'll get out of the beauty pocket. Do you know what I mean? Like, I always have a beauty pocket in whatever handbag I'm carrying. And if I'm on the run, on the go, in the car, whatever, and I misplace it and don't put it back where it belongs, it goes to Never Never Land of makeup. So let's just dive into this bitch. If you are new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, unique videos I put out every single week. For those of you curious, right now I'm carrying a DKNY handbag. It has so many pockets that I'm sure I've lost things in here. Totally sure of it. And that's a travesty in the makeup community, so let's get into it. I'm gonna go first into the pocket that is supposed to have the beauty items, so I know what's in there. Or do I? Sometimes I even put stuff in there that doesn't belong and then I misplace things and it's a mess. Like my life. It's like me. Okay, this is a Burt's Bees Peony Lip Shimmer. I knew this was in here. I have used this recently and I really like it. So far, so good. Ah! This is it. This is the item that inspired this whole video. And it is my NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick. This little baby is in the shade Push Up, and it was this exact item that I saw, and I wish I could remember what video it was. But somebody was just talking about it, and I was like, I have that. Where is it? And I discovered it in a handbag that I had transitioned out of, and I was like, you fool. And I checked the expiration date, and it doesn't expire for 18 months. So I know it's still good. So I was like, use it, use it. You love it, use it. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I get so mad at myself when I do this. Now the sad thing is to see what else is in this little bitch. I'm nervous. Okay, I have these in every single handbag I carry because you guys know I'm an oily bitch, and they are oil absorbing sheets. The issue I have with these is I forget about them even though I need them, unless it's summer and I'm a really oily mess. That's when I usually remember these, but I have these in every handbag, so usually I always try to make sure I transition them into new handbags, but sometimes I forget. But I literally was just thinking yesterday, I'm looking a little oily. I'll just put on some more powder. I forget to use these sometimes, especially if it's not summer, so I need to make sure I use these. But oh, I forgot about this. It is even in my beauty pocket, and I forgot about this. What is wrong with me? Okay, so this is a beauty blender blotter, I do believe. Let me see what it's called. This is a beauty blender Blotterazzi Pro. It's like 20 bucks. So the fact that I forgot it was in my handbag kind of makes me mad. I'm a little pissed off at myself right now. But you use this like you use these oil sheets, just kind of to press in so it doesn't like mess up your makeup or anything. And it kind of keeps your ish together while, you know, getting rid of the excess oils. It's brand freaking new fresh. I'm so annoyed I forgot about this, and it's in the beauty pocket. Nicole, what is your problem? Am I the only one who's embarrassing like this? Because this is a really good product, and I usually want to use stuff like this in the middle of my day. I work all day long at the office, so it makes sense to put it in your handbag, but you have to remember you have it. Nicole, remember. Okay, and I pretty much always have some kind of lippy moisturizer. This is the Aquaphor Lip Repair. I always have one of these in there or a Blistex Deep Renewal. Right now I have both because I'm excessive. And we just did, you know, trying to get out of the winter season, so it really does help out with chapped lips and if you have too matte of a lipstick on. Sometimes one of these babies can be really helpful. So I do have these in my purse as well, but I only need one, so I'm gonna put this one aside for now. Now I'm moving out of the makeup pocket and kind of diving deeper into my handbag, so God knows what we're gonna find. Okay, having one comb makes sense. Having two combs means you're excessive, Nichole, and you don't have that much hair. Come on. Now, yes, I do like to have a comb in my handbag, mostly because I don't want to brush in my handbag. I do have curly hair, so sometimes that doesn't work too well and it makes me froey. The wind is whipping me around. You know, I can get my ish back together with one of these. But two's kind of excessive. I feel like I put this one in because it's also a teasing comb for something in particular a few weeks back that I've forgotten about and just left it in the handbag when one works. One works. Too much, so I'm gonna leave one in the handbag and leave one at home. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago, some of you guys were actually asking me about this. I had on some bright orange nails a few videos back, and a couple of you were like, hey, what color is that? And I was like, oh, let me go look. And I couldn't find it, and I couldn't find it. I just found it. It is a Sally Hansen Insta-Dry nail polish that I apparently tossed in my handbag probably to fix a few chips on my nails because I'm really lazy and I don't like to take off nail polish to just reapply some chips, so I just kind of go over the top. I'm lazy, I know. This is the Heat Flash shade that is a fast dry nail color. So yeah, if you guys were wondering and asked in the comments what nail polish was I wearing a few videos back that was super bright orange, it was this one. It's from Target and I got it on clearance for $2.51. It's a while ago, but I'm just telling you now. Sorry, I lost it in my handbag of makeup clutter. And the other item that I just found in there is also a nail polish, and it is to my current manicure for the exact same reason. I had a chip and I didn't want to mess around with it by taking off a whole nail polish and putting it back on, so blah blah blah. I took it to the office and forgot it was in there. This is a Sally Hansen Miracle Gel in the shade Let's Get Digital. Why do I have two nail polishes in my handbag? What's wrong with me? Okay, so I am now to the far end of my handbag and I don't have one or two items in there. I have 4 items that don't belong in there. These were supposed to be either in my beauty pocket or in my beauty space. What is wrong? Okay, so let's just go down the rabbit hole here. This is the, that's where that went. This is my Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint that I got from BoxyCharm. I was trying this for you guys and reviewing it, and I had it in my handbag so I could see, you know, review it and test it for you. How long is it before you need to reapply it, blah, blah, blah. Had it in my handbag, and apparently it got lost in Never Never Land. So glad to have this back. Had it back, but, you know, rediscover it, whatever. Oh, my backup shade of Beeper from ColourPop. I have 2 of these, one that I bought and then one that I got from BoxyCharm. This is the backup that I couldn't find until this very embarrassing moment. Yeah. And I never say this brand name right. I'm still working on it. I'm sorry. This is the Lee Swader Nude Addiction Lip Shade. It's a little lip gloss. I really do mean to keep this in my handbag though. This I like to keep in the beauty pocket though, because I don't like glosses in the morning. I like to apply a gloss more like in the afternoons if I'm going to. So this got a little misplaced in the handbag and I couldn't find it. So now I can put it where it belongs. I'm gonna do that right now. Go back where you belong in here with your friends. And also, when I'm not using the oil absorbing sheets and where'd it go? And the blotter that I bought, I really like the CoverGirl pressed powder, and it's in the wrong spot, so I haven't been able to use it. This is the Advanced Radiance Classic Beige Pressed Powder. I'm going to a meeting, I'm throughout my work day. I do like to just kind of touch up my makeup here and there, and I really do have a bad habit of being a face toucher at the computer. I do this. When I'm doing a review day, I try not to touch my face, but if I do touch my face throughout the day, any day of the week, this is what I'd use to kind of like touch back up again, but can't do it if I can't find it. And some other things that I just couldn't find until recently are a hand sanitizer that I like to keep in my handbag. This is a Mercy Handy New Wave. It's a good smelling hand sanitizer. I try to keep something like this in my handbag in case other people are sick at work, or if I'm out in public and I'm feeling a little gross. I like to pop this out, but couldn't find it because it was in a different handbag that I forgot to transition it into. And this is a product I want to review for you, but I keep forgetting about it because it goes to the wrong spot in my handbag. It is the Make It Matte Pure Stick. Like, you're supposed to be able to use this either before foundation or after you have makeup on to fix like really oily spots, but I keep forgetting about it and I can't ever find it in this ridiculous handbag. Maybe it's time to switch handbags. I don't know yet. I'm not ready to do that yet, but I just need to be more organized and know where all my ish is. Guys, am I alone in this? Am I the only person that loses stuff in their handbags? I mean, especially beauty items. When you spend money on it and you want to use something, it is so annoying when you rediscover something in the bottom of your handbag that you forgot about and it's either gone bad or you're like, ah, now I'm in the wrong season. What's kind of embarrassing is that's mostly happened recently all with this handbag. I have to be serious. That happens to me more often than I like to admit. Kind of why I had to do this video, because I'm like, if this happened to me, it has to happen to a few other people too, right? Thank you guys so much for watching me embarrass myself on the internet with all the clutter in my handbag. I'm gonna try to get better at it. I'm working on it. If you are new to my channel, I hope you take a quick moment to hit that subscribe button down below to see all of the fun, loud, weird, really weird, unique videos I put out every single week. Bye, friends.